side of the story, but I'm sure that you're causing somewhat of a disturbance.
Why? She's always here. She doesn't go anywhere. I'm at work. Why is it when I'm at home it's a problem?
Stop
I work at
flailing
all
around.
the-
Matter.
What the f are you talking about?
She almost seems
I
like
don't wanna
she's
go in there.
intoxicated.
Well, too bad you're going in there.
No, I don't want to go in there. No. I don't want to go in there. No. No, I'm not going in there.
The squad car.
Where did she think they were walking her out to? I don't know why it's a surprise when she sees the police car. Hello friends, Squink here, former cop, future VHS tape rewinder, here to use my law enforcement experience to break down another video and to answer the question everyone wants to know, which is, what the hell are the cops doing? Let's get into it. Today's video comes from Lens of Law, police body cam videos, entitled Karen Goes Berserk when evicted from mom's house. I've never seen this. Walking in blindly, reacting in real time. Here we go.
Okay.
She's moved my shoes. Now
Okay.
I can't go. I don't
That's
have
fine.
shoes.
Turn around for me.
No,
Nope,
no,
nope, nope,
no,
nope. Don't you
No.
put your hands behind your back.
No.
Put your hands behind your back. Stop resisting.
Stop resisting.
Ma'am, just listen, please.
Stop kicking me.
Why are you here?
Your mom called because you were acting a fool, okay?
Fool.
On October 22nd, 2020.
It'd be really funny if he goes, because your mom called and said you're being an absolute entitled Karen. So that's why we're here.
23, officers responded to a call regarding disorderly conduct at a residence in Pleasant Prairie. Upon arrival, the suspect was found yelling at her elderly mother and displaying aggressive behavior. What happened next will leave you questioning how quickly a situation can spiral out of control.
Can't wait. Wish people could just behave.
That lock has been broken and no one has ever fixed it. Oh, jeez. I just want my shoes. Where did you put my shoes?
Okay.
She's moved my shoes. Now
Okay.
I can't go. I don't
That's
have
fine.
shoes.
Turn around for me.
No,
Nope,
no,
nope, nope,
no,
nope.
no,
Don't
no,
you
How old's her
put your
mom?
hands behind your back.
This woman
Put your
looks
hands
like
behind
she's
your back.
70.
Stop resisting.
Stop resisting.
I don't just do anything wrong.
Stop kicking me.
Ma'am, you're an adult female. Why are you doing this?
Stop resisting.
Oh, it's doing anything wrong.
Stop resisting.
Ma'am.
219, one in custody.
Stop.
Damn.
Elizabeth, take a breath.
Elizabeth.
I know what's that feeling.
We'll get you a tissue. You gotta take some rest. Slow it down.
Why? I gotta get out of here.
Stop. We're done playing these games, okay?
Are you? I was done years ago.
Alright, let me double work this.
Yep. Do your thing.
Just let me get me out of here. Just get me the
Oh, we're gonna get you out of here.
Will you get off of me?
Yeah, you're
No.
gonna go to jail
When
probably.
you stop acting like a child, I'm gonna stop treating you like a child.
Child? I don't know what that is.
Elizabeth, stop resisting.
I don't know what it is called.
She kicked me in my back.
I don't know what it's called.
Elizabeth, stop it.
Why did they do this to me? Oh, it hurts. Stop it.
You have to stop resisting and it will stop hurting.
Right. It's usually how it goes.
Do a quick search meanwhile we have her like this.
No.
Stop! I'm not gonna tell you again. Stop.
Some people might be wondering, is this extent of force, is it required? Is it necessary? And I would say, if she's not going to listen, yes, you're going to do whatever you can as a police officer to gain control of the situation. And she's obviously still kind of moving about, thrashing about. They're going to do what they can to gain control of the situation. And yeah, does it look not great? Sure, especially because she's much older, but they got to do what they got to do. Oh, weed pens.
Are you going to stop kicking? If you stop kicking, I will sit you up. Do you understand? Do you understand?
Good.
If you kick me, you are going straight back to the ground, okay?
Yep. Can you get those off? They hurt.
No, they're staying. You're
They
under.
hurt. For what? I was looking for my money.
Stand up. Stand up. Sit down on the bed.
Lots of the times when people are going to jail,
Finish your search.
they'll passively resist.
Stop flailing around like a child.
Or
How many
go-
times do I have to tell you?
Or they'll go dead weight.
You are under arrest
For what?
for disorderly conduct and battery to law enforcement, okay?
It's very annoying.
Why are you here?
Your mom called because you were acting a fool,
a
okay?
fool.
Yes.
We haven't even had time to talk to your mom to get her side of the story, but I'm sure that you're causing
Why?
somewhat of a
Why?
disturbance.
She's always here. She doesn't go anywhere. I'm at work. Why is it when I'm at home it's a problem?
Stop
I work at
flailing
all
around.
Let me go back to work.
It's a problem when you're at home because
That's my fat get off.
you're at home and causing a problem with her.
Following me. I haven't done anything but trying to figure this out.
Tracy's. Stop.
The mother of the suspect explained that the altercation began when Elizabeth accused her of stealing her debit card. She described Elizabeth's behavior as increasingly violent, leading her to lock herself in her room to escape the outburst. The situation escalated so quickly that she felt unable to protect herself, especially given her limited mobility due to her walker.
Do you not understand what stop is?
No, I don't. Stop it. Don't touch me.
Alright, let's do it.
Okay.
Do anything wrong. I just want to know what I'm
Stand up.
Stand up, Elizabeth.
Stand up. Stand
You're
up.
hurting me.
Separate your feet.
No.
What is she doing?
Okay.
You hurt. All I was looking for was my card. All I wanted was my debit card. That's all I wanted. I just gotta pay my cell bill. You guys gotta get close.
Can you imagine being that old and
All I
acting
was
like
doing
this?
is getting my debit card. I just gotta pay my phone bill.
Okay. We are past that.
I don't have any gas money. I don't need cigarettes out of my phone now. Why are they doing this to me? Ow, you stepped on my foot. Get over it.
Stop.
I can
Stop. Do you understand? Stop flailing around. I'm not playing with you.
Do you understand what they're doing to me?
Who is they
Up
she
in the
keeps
police
referring to?
department. God damn it. All I was doing was looking for my money. And I don't got shoes.
You're going to jail, so you'll get flip-flops.
So we can do
This
this two ways. Either you
It's a
can
nice
take her,
area.
or I can take her and get their statement and do the DA packet. Doesn't matter.
What the f*** are you talking about?
She almost seems
I don't
like
wanna
she's
go in there.
Well,
intoxicated.
too bad. You're going in
No,
there.
I don't want to go in there. No. I don't want to go in there. No. No, I'm not going in there.
Get it's the squad car.
Where did she think they were walking her out to? I don't know why it's a surprise when she sees the police car. Like, where else did you think we were going?
Stop doing that. Do you understand? You're good.
It hurts.
It's called pain compliance. I need you to stop doing what you're doing.
I don't want to go in here.
Go in the squad car.
So basically, they're going to use pain compliance whenever someone's not listening. If they've resorted to using verbal commands over and over and over and the suspect is not complying, what they'll do is do like a wrist lock of some sort, and it hurts a little bit, but hopefully then the suspect listens, because ultimately they have a job to do and they need to do it in a certain amount of time because other calls are coming in. They can't just deal with this person the whole day. So they're going to resort to pain compliance at some points if the person is not responding to to verbal commands. So is it necessary? Yes, it's necessary to get the job done.
Put your leg out.
They're out.
My buddy. Oh, lovely. Stop.
They're off my throat. You know that, right?
My body can go.
I can't tell if she's like 70 or just a very heavy smoker 50-something-year-old.
If it's between my.
Could be
You know
either
how
or.
seatbelt works?
Put your leg through.
Crazy
No,
what
I don't
cigarettes will
want to.
do to you.
Fine, take me wherever the fuck you want to take me. What is it gonna be? Winnebago, Crossland, Thompson
County
City.
Jail. That's what you're going to. Resisting. Battery to law enforcement.
Got it?
Check.
And DC. I'm gonna go talk to Mom
DC is disorderly conduct.
and get her.
Every few years, mother.
You do this every few years. We're here because of your behavior.
2 years now. I'm done. I'm done.
You are
No
done.
more.
Okay, we'll just get it going.
The last 3 years, I did something.
Alright, so you're gonna do the DA.
Yeah, I'm gonna do DA, get their full statement and everything like that to see what she was doing. It's enough for disorderly conduct.
Alright,
We know
I'll
her
do that.
behavior.
DA, I would assume, is domestic abuse.
Here.
In custody. And that's all I need to do, right? The in custody?
Yeah,
And
but
get
I'm.
her there?
Yeah, start going because she's obviously very irate.
Right.
217 pity.
She's obviously an entitled Karen.
Okay, she's been very resistive, so if you could just also give the jail a heads up to assist us with bringing her in, and Officer Kennedy will have some mileages for you here soon.
So a lot of jurisdictions require whoever's transporting to give a beginning mileage in the vehicle, and then when you get to the jail, an end mileage. Or if you're transporting someone anywhere, a beginning and end mileage, just so it's on the record, so there's no side trips being taken. No one can say, oh, he took me into a back lot, and it's all being recorded. It's all just for recording purposes.
Just also noted that she kicked me in my back, but I'm refusing rescue.
Tough guy. He don't need no rescue.
Once inside the vehicle, she struggled with the seatbelt and refused to adjust it properly, which delayed the transport. At the jail, Elizabeth was handed over to the staff without incident, but her behavior remained disruptive throughout the process, and she was securely processed into custody. Elizabeth faced multiple charges, including felony battery or threat to a law enforcement officer, resisting an officer, and disorderly conduct. All charges were dismissed on the prosecutor's motion. Please show your support by liking this video to see more of these cases with a proper legal analysis.
All right. Cool. All right. Pretty clear cut. We got an entitled Karen who's potentially stealing from her elderly mother. Police get there. She's not listening. They have to resort to paying compliance. But then they finally get her into the cop car and she goes to jail. Pretty clear cut. I give the police a 7.4 out of 10. I do these videos every single day. If you like this one, like, subscribe, comment, and share, and I'll see you tomorrow for tomorrow's video. Bye.